In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone yourself with OpenArt AI. We'll walk through turning a single photo of you into multiple, consistent versions using OpenArt's image variations. By the end, you'll know how to pick the right model, upload a clean portrait, describe the look you want, and control how closely the results match your original. First, open your browser and head to OpenArt. When the suite loads, look to the left sidebar and click Image. This takes you into the workspace where all image tools live. You'll see options to create from scratch, but for cloning yourself, we'll focus on variations of an existing photo. Choose Image Variations. This mode starts from a photo you provide and generates new images that keep your identity while changing style, pose, or setting. Before moving on, pick a model. Models can lean realistic or stylized, so read the short descriptions. If you want a true-to-life clone, pick a realistic model. For artistic renditions, try a creative one. You can always switch and compare. Now, start with an image. The best results come from a clear, well-lit portrait where your face is unobstructed. Avoid heavy filters, hats, or sunglasses, and try to be the only person in the frame. Click Upload or choose an image, then select your photo and hit Open. Give it a moment to process. If there's a crop or framing option, keep your head and shoulders centered to maximize facial detail. Next, describe your variation. This is where you guide the clone. Be specific about what should change and what should stay the same. For a close match, mention that it's the same person and specify details like lighting and background. For example, same person, natural skin tones, soft studio lighting, gray backdrop. If you want a different vibe, you could say same person wearing a denim jacket, cinematic lighting, shallow depth of field, indoor studio. Avoid describing a different identity. Your steering style, not swapping faces. Check output options. Here you can set things like aspect ratio or how many results you want. Square headshots are great for profiles, wider frames suit banners. Higher output sizes capture more detail but take a bit longer to render. Adjust the creativity level. Lower values keep the clone very close to your original. Raise it to loosen the reins for bolder changes. For a reliable starting point, begin low, then increase if you want more variety. Finally, click Generate. Let the images render, then review what you got. If a result is almost perfect, note which model, prompt, and creativity setting produced it, and iterate from there. Download your favorites and you're done. Your AI clone is ready.